Hello and welcome to Instrukart, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a clean room monitoring device which monitors temperature and humidity in a clean room, HVAC, hospital OTs, and places where the environment is critical and to be measured, especially in temperature and humidity parameters. So this is for temperature and humidity. As you can see, this is the LED. We do have the LCD version and the TFT version should it be required by the user as per their setup. So this one is AIRHTM and it has temperature and humidity only. Now you can have other parameters like temperature, humidity and DP. You can have single temperature also. You can have temperature, humidity. You can also have along with the RTC, which is real-time clock. You can also have this with the ACH, that is the air change unit per hour. And this can be customized the way you want. Now the temperature range is between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. With an accuracy of 0.5 degrees plus or minus, and for the humidity it is between 0 to 99% RH with a accuracy of 1.5% RH plus or minus. For the material of construction, it has got front SS, which is specially made for the clean rooms to withstand all the chemical washing and the jet sprays. Above you can see the sensor is mounted, which is inbuilt sensor. It also has an option of external sensor which can be placed on the panel. A button which means acknowledgement, that means it is a manual intervention or the manual acknowledgement button just in case the set point of temperature or humidity violates. So it has got a visual and audio alarm along with. At the back you can see this has also got a SS body. Since it's a need, it can also have a MS body at the back as a standard. We have the glands for this communications also. Input is 24 volts DC. However, it can be used in any country since the adapter which is provided is between 110 volts to 230 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. We also got analog output which is 4 to 20 milliamps, and it has got isolated RS485 Modbus communication as optional. It can also be connected through Ethernet, TCP/IP on customized orders, and it is a IoT ready device. This is a modular wall panel mounting or panel fitting. So it goes like a flush. The weight is approximately a kg, approximately 1 kilogram, and it has got 4 buttons inside to do several settings like the temperature and humidity, low and high set points, offsetting, and the password protection also. To do that, you might have to open this caps from the top, these 4 caps, and then you have to use the buttons to do the settings. For more information on to these parameters and this device and whether it is fit for your application or not, you can talk to our expert at instrukart.com. Thanks for watching.